SkyWard and such seating charts. Go to SkyWard, go to Teacher Access, go to Post Daily Attendance. Once you have it all set up, you're going to come back to Seating by Seating Chart to take roll, but you're going to set it up by assigning seats. You don't want to call out roll. You want to set it up so you can just look and know who's there, who's not. You get the picture, you get the name, you can select the student and move them around. You can also increase the number of rows and seats per row so that you can make it look more like your classroom. You could also set it up so that you leave enough empty rows and seats per row so that you have blanks between where kids sit, if that visually helps you. So all these blue lines, I effectively have empty spaces. So very quickly I can tell who is in what table and where should they go, that kind of thing. Hope you have a great day, guys.